Craving something bright and delicious? Today, we're making the most incredible lemon yogurt cupcakes. They're super moist, bursting with citrus flavor, and surprisingly easy to whip up. Perfect for any occasion, these little treats will bring a smile to everyone's face. Get ready to bake some sunshine. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The stars of our show are fresh lemon zest and juice, plus plain Greek yogurt for that amazing tenderness. Don't forget eggs, vegetable oil, and a splash of vanilla extract, simple pantry staples for extraordinary results. First, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, including that lovely lemon zest and yogurt. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. The aroma alone is heavenly. While your cupcakes cool, let's make a quick lemon glaze. Just powdered sugar and fresh lemon juice whisked together until smooth. Drizzle generously over each cooled cupcake. This glaze adds an extra layer of tangy sweetness that perfectly complements the soft, moist cake. And there you have it. Beautiful, zesty lemon yogurt cupcakes ready to be devoured. They're light, fluffy, and packed with that wonderful lemon zing. Try this recipe today and brighten up your day, or share them with friends and family. Happy baking, everyone!